Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to write a simple resume, even if you have no experience and no high school diploma. This guide is perfect for entry-level jobs like a people greeter, cart pusher, patient transporter, or cleaner. So let's get started. Step 1. Contact information. Start with your contact information. Make sure to include your full name, phone number, and email address. Here's how it should look. Jane Doe, 123 Main Street, your city, USA. Phone 123-456-7890. Email janedoeexample.com. Step 2. Objective statement. Next, write a short objective statement. This tells the employer what kind of job you're looking for and why you'd be a good fit. Keep it brief and straightforward. Here's an example. Objective: to obtain a position as a cart pusher at ABC store where I can utilize my strong work ethic and attention to detail. Step 3. Skills section. Now let's list some skills. Even without job experience, you have skills from daily life. Think about qualities like punctuality, teamwork, and good communication. Here's how to format it. Skills: a strong work ethic, excellent communication skills, reliable and punctual, able to work independently and in a team, basic computer skills. Step 4. Experience section. For the experience section, if you don't have formal work experience, that's okay. You can include volunteer work, internships, or even relevant tasks you've done at home. Here's an example. Experience: assisted in managing household tasks including cleaning and organizing. Volunteered at community events helping with setup and customer assistance. Step 5. Education section. In the education section, list the highest level of education you've completed. If you didn't finish high school, you can still include the name of your school and the years you attended, like this. Education: Anytown High School, Anytown, USA, attended 2015-2017. Step 6. References section. Finally, for the references section, you can list a few people who can vouch for your character and reliability. This could be a teacher, a family friend, or a community leader. Here's an example. References: John Smith, community leader, phone 123-446-7890. Mary Johnson, family friend, phone 987-654-3210. Here's what a completed resume might look like. Jane Doe, 23 Main Street, Anytown, USA. Phone 123-456-7890. Email janedoeexample.com. Objective: to obtain a position as a cart pusher at ABC store where I can utilize my strong work ethic and attention to detail. Skills: strong work ethic, excellent communication skills, reliable and punctual, able to work independently and in a team, basic computer skills. Experience: assisted in managing household tasks including cleaning and organizing. Volunteered at community events helping with setup and customer assistance. Education: Anytown High School, Anytown, USA, attended 2015-2017. References: John Smith, community leader, phone 123-456-7890. Mary Johnson, family friend, phone 987-654-3210. And that's it. A simple and effective resume, even if you have no job experience or a high school diploma. Remember, it's all about presenting yourself positively and showing that you're eager to work. Your name, your address, phone, your phone number, email, your email address. Objective: to obtain a position as job title at company name where I can utilize my skill or quality. Skills: problem solving. Skill 2. Time management, flexibility, tolerance. Experience: describe a relevant task or volunteer work you've done. Describe another relevant task or volunteer work. Education: your school name, city, state, attended years. References: Name, relation, phone number. Name, relation, phone number. This is a good example of a complete guide on how to write a resume with no experience or high school diploma. Good luck and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.